We often hear two words. We often hear two words, culture and civilization. Do you know this meaning? Culture is a matter related to human life, while civilization is developed by human being which he creates with his own caliber, skill and creative skills. Egypt, Meso, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great civilization of human society. Centuries old civilization skill inspire human life. Out of this civilization, we shall study about Harappan civilization.
Harappan. Harappan. Yes, continue, beta.
Yes, ma'am. 3.1 Places of Harappan civilization. We know Harappan civilization also as Indus Valley
Indus.
civilization.
Indus.
Yes, ma'am. Indus Valley civilization remains of this civilization were first discovered from Harappa in 1921. Many of the places the civilization in the northwestern part of locations of places the Harappan civilization in the map 3.1.
मैम उसने एक
Let's
लाइन
get
काट दी। मैम
No
वो
problem,
ये
हाँ.
इंडिया इंक्लूड
India.
हड़प्पा
India
प्लीज।
include yes ma'am. India include Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lot, Lothal,
Lothal.
Dho, Lothal, Dholavera, Kalibang, Kalibangan, Rakhi, Gadi, etc. See the locations of places of Harappan civilization in the map 3.1. Let's get introduction of town planning of some of the major cities and their features.
Okay. So, in this lesson, we are going to learn many. This is a history lesson. Okay. In this lesson, we are going to learn many things about our ancient world. Okay. Like many a times you have read in many places culture and civilization. Have you read or not?
यस मैम।
So, what does it mean? Culture and civilization means?
मैम
Huh?
मैम चैप्टर 3 के एंशियंट टाउन्स एंड के बाद क्या लिखा है?
Ancient towns and scripture.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू।
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा बोला.
civilization means developed by human being.
Yes, very good. By human being, we only do that, right? So, what it is, beta, ke wherever we read these two words, that is culture and civilization, do we actually know what is the meaning? You might have read it in many books. Do you read books?
Yes.
Do you read books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
यस
So,
मैम।
yes. So, what do we read in that?
culture and civilization.
Yes. So what does culture mean, first of all? What does culture mean? If you have read any place, culture. Okay, in what accordance? Can you make one sentence and say me? Can anyone make one sentence and say me?
Ma'am, on which sentence?
Culture.
Culture. Hmm, just a minute, ma'am. Think.
Come on, try. Make a sentence on culture.
Ma'am, means culture to starting farming and that's it.
Hmm. Okay. Okay. देखो कल्चर मीन्स क्या होता है कि वट एवर इज रिलेटेड टू अस, कोई भी मैटर हो, कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी अच्छा हो, तो कल्चर इज व्हाट इट इज मैटर रिलेटेड टू ह्यूमन लाइफ. व्हाट इट इज बेटा? द मैटर्स which are related to human life. Write down this in your rough book. What is the meaning of culture?
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am, what we have to
Only
write?
then, what is the meaning of culture?
Okay, ma'am. So, in meaning, what we have to write?
Culture, see in the first line only it is written, culture is a matter related to human life.
Ma'am,
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
one boy, Sahal Shoaib, written in chat box that culture eat only dead animals.
Sorry, culture.
Eat only dead.
नहीं he yes
Ma'am,
आप
he said about
culture.
vulture.
Okay सहल, मैं यहाँ vulture. हाँ he said about vulture. Vultures they are scavengers. You are right सहल. Vultures के बारे में नहीं बोल रहे हम यहाँ, किसके बारे में बात हो रही है? Culture. Okay, vulture is a is a type of bird. Okay, that eats only dead animals, right? Yes, but what is here we are talking about beta?
Culture.
हाँ, culture is related, culture is a matter related to human life. चलो written everyone.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
See अगर आप एक बार लिखोगे ना, if you write down one time, then you will never forget. Do you get my point?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what we write culture means?
Culture is what? Culture, meaning of culture. बिकॉज दिस कल्चर एंड सिविलाइजेशन हम हमारे हिस्ट्री में बहुत सारी जगह पे पढ़ेंगे.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, now we write no culture is related to human life.
Yes, culture is a matter which is related to human life.
Ma'am, don't nak viragi basan written.
Yes, and then down, write down civilization. Civilization means what beta? Civilization means that is developed by human being. Means what? It is developed by human being.
Human being.
हाँ, that is civilization. Written?
Yes. Ma'am, we write.
Ma'am, don't nak viragi basan. Human being. Civilization is developed by human being.
Hmm. All of you written?
Yes, ma'am. Asan kapasi work is done.
Yes, ma'am, nak viragi basan work is also done.
Very good. So, culture is what? It is related to, matter related to human life. Okay? Is
Okay,
it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And what is the Uh, Civilization.
Ma'am, civilization means developed by human beings.
Very good. Very good. And what is culture?
Ma'am, culture is matter related to human life.
Hmm. Okay. So here we are going to learn why civilization is developed by human being, which he creates, with his caliber. Okay, with his caliber, like with his knowledge, with his art, right? With his skills, right? And creative skills, right? Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such a great civilization of human society. What do they exhibit, beta? A great. What do they
Great.
exhibit? A
Upgrade.
great, yes, a great, you know, सिविलाइजेशन के बहुत बहुत सारे ऐसे ह्यूमन सोसाइटी के एग्जांपल्स है ना. सो व्हाट डू वी कम टू नो बाय दिस, दैट which countries here it is talked about.
Ma'am,
हाँ, which कौन से कंट्रीज के बारे में बात हो रही है यहाँ पे.
ma'am, Egypt,
हाँ.
Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome.
Yes, all these are what.
Exhibit such great civilization of human society.
Are the great example that exhibit civilization, great civilization of human society. Centuries old civilizations still inspire human life. Out of this civilization, we shall study about Harappan civilization. Okay. Now, what shall we study?
Harappan civilization.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Harappan
means
So
civilization.
can I read Napiragi Vasan?
Wait, beta, wait. Now, 1 minute, I'll open my PDF again. It has got closed. Now, what is Harappan civilization? You might have heard many a times, many a places this word, Harappan civilization.
yes,
Huh?
yes,
You have
yes.
not? What is Harappan civilization?
No, ma'am, no idea.
Okay. Okay. So, in this lesson, beta, we are going to learn everything about Harappan civilization. Okay. Is it clear? Chalo. What is
Ma'am, means
Harappan?
full
Uh-huh.
topics on Harappan civilization only.
Huh. Yes.
What, ma'am? What we have to do, ma'am?
Okay. Now, Harappan civilization is a, okay. First of all, what is meaning of civilization?
Ma'am,
Civilization
civilization means developed by
developed by
human
human being.
Yes, exactly. What is civilization?
Developed
developed by
by
human
human
being.
being.
Exactly, developed by human beings, right? तो हड़प्पन सिविलाइजेशन भी ऐसा ही एक सिविलाइजेशन है जो पूरा ह्यूमन बींग्स ने डेवलप किया है. इज इट क्लियर?
Ma'am, what can you say this?
ओके. ओके, आई शो यू द पिक्स. वेट. वेट. So, centuries old civilizations still inspire human life. Out of this civilization, we shall study about Harappan civilization. Okay. So we know Harappan civilization also as Indus Valley civilization. ये एक ह्यूमन बीइंग से डेवलप हुआ एक सिविलाइजेशन है. right? Or Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization. Write down this point in your rough book. It's a very important point.
What we have
What
to write, ma'am?
Harappan civilization is also known as Indus Valley civilization.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute.
Written, beta?
1 minute.
Ma'am, till Indus Valley we have to write.
Yes.
My screen gone.
Yes,
Black.
ma'am.
Written? Written or not? Hassan, what did you write?
Yes, ma'am. Harappan civilization is known as Indus Valley civilization.
Very good. What is Harappan civilization known as? It is also known as
Indus
Indus,
Valley civilization.
yes, Indus Valley civilization. Now, beta, in this remains of this civilization were first discovered from Harappa in 1921. Harappa is a place, okay? Many of the places of this civilization in the northwestern part of India includes Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholvira, Kalibanga, Rakhi Gadhi, etc. See the location of Harappa civilization in the map. See in this map. Can you see?
Yes.
The red dots है ना, red dots. They are Harappan civilization.
Ma'am,
Can you see?
in all this dot place, there is one civilization is there only.
Hmm.
Harappa civilization.
Yes, very good. Now we will see about town planning. Right? Now, how the town planning of Harappan civilization was the most important feature of Harappan civilization. Okay? But first of all, what we are going to learn in this lesson, let us revise that. Those who are joined late for them. Hassan, can you read better?
Yes, ma'am. Chapter number 3, ancient towns and scripture. We often hear two words, culture and civilization. Do you know its meaning? Culture is a matter related to human life, while civilization is developed by human being, which he creates with his own caliber, skill, and creative skills. Egypt, Mesopotamia, India, China, Rome exhibit such great civilization of human society. Centuries old civilization still inspire human life. Out of this civilization, we shall study about Harappan civilization. Yes,
Continue.
yes, ma'am. 3.1 Places of Harappan civilization. We know Harappan civilization also as Indus Valley civilization. Remains of this civilization were first discovered from Harappan in 1921. Many of the places, the civilization in the northwestern part of India include Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Lothal, Dholavira, Dol,
Dholvira.
yes, Dholvira, Kalibangan, Rakhi, Gadi, etc. See the locations of places of Harappan civilization in the map 3.1. Let's get introduction of towns, planning of some of the major cities and their features.
Yes. Now we are going to see town planning. The most important feature of Harappan civilization. Okay, बहुत important feature है ये Harappan civilization का. Many archaeologists, many scientists, and they have done lot of inventions on this Harappan civilization. Okay. Yes, Hassan, continue.
Yes.
Discuss comparison between Harappan towns and today's towns planning. Organized town planning was the most important feature of Harappan civilization. All the towns were planned in a similar way. In all places, fort was on westward side and colony of common people. Uh, yes, ma'am. Uh, mm, common colony on the east side. Highway separated both of them. The fort on the west was surrounded by a forest. Most
40,
probably
40
ruled,
years.
hmm? Yes, 40 years. Most probably rules would have lived in the fort. Bricks were often used in their town structures. Let's study about various features of Harappan civilization. Main feature of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. Houses were constructed on high platforms to protect them from flood and dampness. One of the features of houses of Harappa was the was that the main gate opened in the lands rather than town towards the main road. Here, single and double story yard houses were seen. Roads were very comfortable. There were two highways in the city, one of which connected north with south and the other connected east with west.
Hmm. You know why people construct houses on high platforms?
To protect themselves from flood and dampness.
ओके. पहले तो देखो, अगर आप लोग भी कोई टेनामेंट में रहते हो तो आप भी देखोगे कि आपके घर में अंदर जाने के लिए आपको 2-3 स्टेप्स चढ़ के जाना पड़ता है कि
Yes,
नहीं? है
yes,
ना? जैसे फ्लैट्स में रहते हो तो नीचे पार्किंग होगा, उसके ऊपर फ्लैट्स होते हैं, फर्स्ट फ्लोर,
yes,
सेकंड फ्लोर, है ना? या फिर ग्राउंड फ्लोर के घर के ऊपर सब लोग प्रिफर करेंगे कि ग्राउंड फ्लोर નું ઘર નથી લેવું, ફર્સ્ટ ફ્લોર સેકન્ડ ફ્લોર લેવું છે.
yes,
You know why બેટા? Because એક તો ફ્લડ વોટર તરત અંદર એન્ટર થઈ જાય. બીજું શું છે કે insects like snakes, okay, snakes and they can come on the first floor also, but they when it is to at ground level, frogs, snakes and આવા બધા જે insects હોય ને, that directly comes inside. Is it clear?
yes,
when
ma'am.
when they are on the road level, then they can come directly inside, right? Apart from that mud, धूड़, right? If it is at floor level, then it will directly come inside, right? But if it is at a higher level, then they are protected, right? એટલે હજી જેમાં હરપ્પન civilization ના ઘર ઊંચા હતા, high platforms પર હતા, today also we construct such type of houses, right? Which are a little higher than the road level. Understood? એને પ્લેસ
Yes, ma'am.
કહેવાય. શું કહેવાય? પ્લેટફોર્મ્સ કહેવાય. શું કહેવાય? હાઈ પ્લેટફોર્મ્સ કહેવાય. શું કહેવાય?
Yes, platform.
સમજાણું?
Ma'am? Yes,
Understood?
understood. Yes, ma'am.
Now you notice whenever you go to anyone's tenement, anyone's bungalow, you see you cannot go directly inside. Directly inside જવાતું હોય તો બધા સ્કૂટર અંદર જ લઈને વયા જાય ને,
Yes,
right? But it is not directly inside. We have to climb and go. Understood? કોઈના ઘર એવા હોય જ નહીં. સિવાય કે ગ્રાઉન્ડ
yes,
ફ્લોર નું ફ્લેટ હોય તો. Understood?
yes,
Most probably ground floor flats also has 2-3 steps and then you can go inside. Okay?
yes.
Yes. Now, organized town planning was the most important feature of Harappan civilization. कैसा important feature था? The planning was town planning जो भी था, that was very, 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 very organized. All the towns were planned in a similar way. You know, हमारे यहाँ तो हर एक टाउन की अलग अलग प्लानिंग्स होती है. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
But they had what type of planning? A similar way planning. कैसा प्लानिंग था उनका? एकदम
Similar.
परफेक्ट. हाँ. In all places, fort was westward side. कैसे थे वो fort? Westward side में, right? And colony on of common peoples were there. Is it clear? Now we will
Yes, ma'am.
see highways. Okay? हाईवे जो थे वो बोथ ऑफ देम को सेपरेट करते थे, जगह रखते थे बीच में. यू नो, बहुत नजदीक नजदीक घर हो तो हमें भी अच्छा नहीं लगता है, लगता है?
No, ma'am.
Sure. Atau tahu cuma istri perempuan jalo, ano.
हाँ. We also like houses which are away.
Ah,
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So, और सेपरेशन किससे होता है? Like road, then walls, right? So here in this Harappan civilization, highways separated both of them. What separated?
Highway separated.
Yes, what separated?
Highway. Highway.
Why
Ma'am,
I cannot?
highway separator.
Highways are the roads, right?
yes.
Okay. Now, beta, the main feature of Harappan civilization was their organized house arrangement. Okay, what was their organized house management? Is it clear? Now, beta, see in this picture, can you see?
Ma'am, this picture. Yes.
Yes, this picture is a public bath of Mohenjo-daro. Like how you have a public bath, you have a swimming pool.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Ma'am, first of all, this place is what?
Harappan civilization, Mohenjo-daro is a
Hello.
place.
Okay.
Kal dos tarik, dos mo tarik.
Whose
Ajeno.
mic is on?
Ma'am, someone mic is on your on, so your voice is not coming properly. Whose mic is on?
Whose mic is on?
Obuzer matter.
Has he muted? See that?
No, ma'am, no.
We'll ask Alpesh
No,
once.
ma'am.
So there are two highways in the city. One which is constructed from north with the south, and the other connected from the east to the west. Is it clear till here?
Yes, ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear. Ma'am.
It's me. Who is replying like this way? Singing and replying?
Shafiq.
Yes, Shafiq.
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are singing and replying? I hope you have understood. Everyone understood or not?
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes. Any doubt?
No,
No, ma'am,
ma'am.
no doubt.
ma'am.
Very good, Chalo. So we'll end up our class here. If anyone has any doubt, but yes, one more time I'm saying you, please, please, please complete your fair book. What am I saying you all to do? Only one thing I'm saying you daily in all the lectures. Please, please, please complete your fair books. Okay, beta?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
because any day a meeting will be organized to come and check your fair books, and on that day you all will say, okay, ma'am, my fair book is incomplete. Ma'am, my fair book is incomplete. Test will, I am going to take test also now.
मैम
Okay.
Okay,
Next
ma'am.
week.
We complete our
मैम
fair book as well.